I'm Dr. Mark from the Tea Clinic and Dr. Mark Aesthetics, and with me is Helene Host, my marketing guru, and we're going to tackle some pertinent questions that's trending in the industry.
Mark, everybody's jumped on the weight loss bandwagon. What's new? What can I do? How do I join?
You know what, actually, Helene, I think we actually need to understand that weight is a chronic disease. The number of obesity cases have absolutely skyrocketed in the past couple of decades. If we look at statistics, it's said that between 1 and 5 people in the world are currently obese, not even overweight, obese. So there's medications that we are now using for it. And the new one is being launched here in South Africa. It's Novo Nordisk's counterpart to the ones that are already here. It's called Wegovy.
Where can I get it?
You know what, Lynn? I think the first thing that we need to understand is this is a medical treatment, so it can only be prescribed by medical practitioners in a practice, and you have to get it from a pharmacy. This is not something that you can buy online. This is not something that you can buy from someone in their kitchen or at a gym or anywhere else. It's a registered product.
If I start using it, do I use it for the rest of my life? Do I use it just to get to my goal weight?
You know, but the jury is out on that. We need to understand weight is a chronic disease, just like hypertension and diabetes, and therefore it should be treated as such. When it comes to weight, we need to understand 40 to 70% of obesity is down to genetics. So if you have that genetic gene, you know what, this could be a good tool, but the cornerstone still stays lifestyle changes, diet, exercise, managing stress and sleep. And you know what, in my opinion, this is something that you use to get to your goal weight and then maintain at a lower dose. So chronic use, absolutely indicated.
Mark, will Wegovy be available at the Tea Clinic? Where can I get it?
Wegovy will be available for you on prescription with your healthcare provider, no matter where you go. If you battle, contact us here at the Tea Clinic on 010-824-1393.